Hello everyone, welcome to our work on critiquing for music exploration in conversational recommender systems. I'm Wanling, a PhD student from Hong Kong Baptist University. This joint work was done with Yucheng from Lenovo Research and my supervisor, Dr. Chen. First, let me introduce the background. Nowadays, recommender system can provide personalized recommendation to help us quickly find out some ideal items, such as music. However, such personalization has the potential to lead us to a narrow space of choices, which are also called filter bubble effects. To mitigate this issue, researchers have made some efforts to encourage users' exploration, such as designing diversity-driven algorithms or visualizing the recommendation. In recent years, conversational recommender systems have become more popular in our daily life. Such systems allow natural language communication, which are promising for supporting users' exploration. In particular, such systems can be featured with two typical critiquing techniques. One is user-initiated critiquing, we call it UC. That is, users can make critiques on the recommended song, such as saying, "I want higher energy," to explore what they want. Another one is system-suggested critiquing, SC. That is, the system can suggest critiques like, "Would you want to try some country music?" to guide users' exploration. In our previous work that studied a chatbot for users to control the recommendation, we found that users tend to perceive higher diversity when using the chatbot that supports both UC and SC. Inspired by these findings, in this study, we aim to stimulate users' exploration by strengthening the system-suggested critiquing techniques. Therefore, we propose two kinds of SC to facilitate users' exploration of music. One is progressive SC, which provides critiques based on users' current preferences and their incremental feedback. Another one is cascading SC, which suggests critiques to encourage users to explore a cascade of diverse songs. In this study, we have two research questions: how these critiquing techniques influence users' music exploration, then how do these critiquing techniques moderate the relationship between users' interaction and their perception. Next, I will briefly describe the design of our system. To investigate the effect of different critiquing techniques, we implemented three variants of the critiquing system. The user-initiated critiquing system only supports UC. Users can make critiques based on music genres and audio features. And progressive critiquing system and cascading critiquing system are hybrid system that supports both UC and SC. Users can click the label suggest button to ask the system to provide critiques. The system can also proactively offer some critiques for users to explore music. But the SC is different for these two systems. Progressive SC is preference-oriented, which guides users to explore songs based on their current preferences and their critiquing feedback, while cascading SC is diversity-oriented, which guides users to explore a cascade of diverse songs using a strategic approach. For example, when the users like more than 4 songs within the same music genre, we determine that cascading SC will switch from audio feature level to music genre to encourage the users to try some songs in different genres. And all these feedbacks will be used to update the user model and refine the recommendation. And this is the interface of our music chatbot. After the user likes a song, the song will be added to the playlist in Part A, where the users can rate the liked songs. And Part C is an extraction panel that explains some music attributes and shows how the users can use the system. And these two figures show how UC and SC are designed in conversation. And then we conducted a user experiment to evaluate the three systems. In this study, we recruited 147 participants from the Prolific platform. We created 3 experimental conditions, respectively, for the 3 systems, and randomly assigned participants into one of the 3 conditions. After removing invalid participants, we maintained the results of 107 users. Each participant got a reward after the study. These are their demographic information. During the experiment, each participant were required to first use the music chatbot to discover different types of music and created a playlist that contains 20 pieces of music and rate them in terms of pleasant surprise. Then they selected top 5 most preferred songs from their created playlist, and they would follow this procedure to perform the whole task. In this online evaluation, we used the post-study questionnaire to measure users' perception of our music chatbot. This table shows the questions, which are mainly based on the widely used user-centric evaluation framework for recommender systems. At the same time, we capture users' objective interaction behavior in their conversations for our analysis. There are several interaction metrics, such as duration, dialogue terms, etc. And here comes to our results. This figure shows the results of users' perception of the three systems. In general, users positively rated all of the three systems. By comparing the three systems, we found significant difference in terms of their perceived diversity and serendipity. Specifically, users perceive higher diversity of recommendations in Cascading SC and more serendipity in Progressive SC. From users' interaction behavior, we found that the two hybrid systems lead to more dialogue terms, more button clicks, probably because the design of SC may introduce more interactions. To further investigate when users would like to use UC and SC to explore music, we analyzed users' interaction data focusing on their critical behavior. We identified some interaction patterns. The first three patterns imply that users tend to make UC after receiving 3 like songs or skipping 3 recommendations, and also when they felt the recommendations suggested by SC were not of their interest. This suggests that users tend to make UC when they gradually establish their preferences during the interaction and have a clear exploration goal. And the fourth pattern indicates that half of the users are more likely to trigger act SC when they have benefited from proactive SC. So based on these results, we can answer our first question: how critiquing techniques influence users' exploration. Our findings indicate that both UC and SC can facilitate users' exploration, but SC influences users' perceived diversity and serendipity more than UC. Our moderation analysis shows that critiquing techniques significantly moderate the relationship between user interaction and users' perception. Specifically, in User C and Progressive C, users who listened to more songs or interacted more with the system tended to feel the system less helpful and perceives less serendipity. On the contrary, users in Cascading C tend to perceive higher helpfulness and serendipity when listening to more songs or interacting more. One explanation is that in Cascading C, users who interact more with the system are likely to encounter different types of music and have a better exploration experience. According to these findings, we can answer another question about moderation effects. The critiquing techniques indeed significantly moderate the relationships between some user interaction metrics and user perception. Combining the above results, we suggest incorporating both UC and SC in conversational system for music exploration. UC can enable users to actively explore what they want when they have a clear exploration goal, while SC can guide users' exploration, especially when they don't have a specific goal. For the choice between two kinds of SC, we may see whether the exploration is for serendipity or for diversity. We may also consider the period of exploring music. Progressive SC can be more helpful in the initial period of exploration, where users are more likely to accept the songs they are familiar with. However, Cascading SC can be more helpful in the later period. After a period of exploration, users may want to see more diverse types of music to find something different. So in conclusions, we propose two kinds of SC to facilitate users' exploration, and we conducted an online evaluation of 3 critiquing systems. Our analysis showed that 2 proposed SC can further increase users' perceived diversity and serendipity. We also found that critiquing techniques significantly influence the relationship between user interaction and their perception. Based on these findings, we provide some implications for the design of critiquing-based conversational recommender system for music exploration. For our future work, we will investigate users' characteristics such as personality that may influence users' exploration of music. We also intend to verify if the findings in this study can be generalized to other application domains. Thank you for listening, and I'm happy to take any questions. You're also welcome to send us an email if you have any questions.